Hi folks, my name is Scott Jewell. I'm from Veurink's RV Center in Grand Rapids, Michigan. I want to take a few minutes and show you guys the new 2019 Fleetwood Irok. This is a Class B motorhome. A few things statistically that would be on this motorhome here is it's about roughly 20 feet long. It's got a 280 horsepower V6, and that's a regular gas engine, so just regular unleaded fuel. And you're going to get about 16 miles per gallon on this, give or take, so really good mileage for an RV. A few things on the outside here. Of course, this is a dark charcoal gray with the color matching wheels, so it looks real modern in style. Up above, you got a awning up there, and that is a armless awning, so it's power. It's got a wind sensor on it, so on a day like today, with it being windy, it would actually go inside all by itself if I were to have it out. 2.8 kilowatt LP generator, that's standard on this unit, so you can run everything inside the unit, air, microwave, everything like that. Just a couple other things here. I mean, it will drive just like a van, so anybody can drive it. If you can drive a van or a Tahoe or something like that, you can drive this no problem. You've got your hitch on the back here, and there's a 4-way flat and a 7-way plug. So you can tow a trailer back here. The tow rating on this is 3,500 pounds. So you could tow an enclosed trailer like a motorcycle or whatever on it. It does have backup camera on it. Of course, it's got, you can see the antennas for the TV and the radio. And you do have, again, a built-in generator here. On the back end here, you do have some storage. Back here is storage all underneath. This little bag here, I won't bring those out, but that little bag is some shades for the front, so you can shade off the front when at nighttime so people can't see in. And then of course you've got sets of seat belts back here too. So let's go take a look inside. Okay, we're inside the Fleetwood Irok, and a few things I want to point out in the back of the unit here. First of all, you've got a lot of good storage compartments here. Just pop these out, that unlocks everything. So really nice hinges. This is all handmade wood. They do a really nice job in here. Everything is made in-house. You've got night shades for each window all the way around, so you can really make it nice and dark in here when you're sleeping. The bed here, this is obviously the couch, but then this folds down into a bed, and I'll just kind of go a little bit with it, but it's push button. That'll go all the way down. Show it all the way down. And then there's 2 cushions here. And what happens is there's a little board that goes in here, and this fills this in. So what it ends up being is about a king size bed when it's all said and done. I've traveled in these many times with my son going to races and things, and it's nice because you can actually tilt this back and then going down the road. I mean, it's super comfortable, just super comfortable. Yeah, these are a great way to travel. Of course, you've got your refrigerator down below. You've got an induction cooktop up top here. Nice big sink, and again, lots of storage. And again, nice hinges, everything like that. So you've got a rooftop air. This is a, I believe, 13.5 air conditioner, excuse me, a 13,000 BTU air conditioner. So they put this air conditioner in a 26-foot trailer or motorhome. So you got plenty of cooling power in here. So, and then they do use up every little nook and cranny. You've got wardrobe in here, and it's all hanging storage. This little pedestal here is for the front. There's a table that goes in. You can sit and eat at, and you can also use one back here. There's a table that goes back here too. Then you can't see it there, but you've got a couple outlets here. There's 2 USB ports to charge phones, another outlet here, so they give you plenty of outlets. Again, I might as well show you these 2. Lots of drawers or full extension drawers. So in a small unit, lots of room. Also, I don't know if you can see that from where you're at there, but that's your all-in-one bathroom, so they call that a wet bath. So you got your toilet, you've got your shower in there. Everything in here can get wet, and you've got a little shower curtain you can pull across there. But plenty of room, again, in a really small functional unit. Okay, and a few things up in the front of the Irok here. You can see this is on a Dodge Ram ProMaster chassis. So this is a commercial chassis. It's a 3500, which is a 1-ton. 6-speed automatic transmission up front, 24-gallon fuel tank. This has the park sense when it comes to the rear parking assistant. It's got stability, ESP, obviously cruise control, backup camera, all that stuff. And both of these seats do swivel and turn around to the rear of the vehicle. A telescoping steering wheel. I'm trying to think of what else I can tell you. The 5-inch touchscreen display, and that's got the radio and navigation in that. It's Bluetooth, Sirius, XM radio. You get a 1-year subscription automatically in it. And another thing Dodge does in these is they upgrade the suspension and put a heavy-duty rear stabilizer bar in it to keep the swaying from going in and out. But really comfortable seats, and you can take a nice long trip in this and be comfortable. Lots of little pockets for storage, and again, USB plugs and things to plug in your devices. Okay folks, I hope you enjoyed the short video I did on the 2019 Fleetwood Irok. If you have any questions, any comments, you can always call me or text me at 616-965-9624. Of course, visit our website at veurinksrv.com.